Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Adira from first year MCA at KGISL IIM to share some information about books and how it slowly became a part of my life. Today, we are going to see about the objective, benefits of reading, different genres of books, and conclusion. Books are friends who never leave your side. I find the saying to be very true as books have always been there for me. I enjoy reading books. They have the power to help us travel through worlds without moving from our places. In addition, books also enhance our imagination. If one has enough books, then the person can never be friendless. Books are one of the biggest friends that one can ever ask for. It has helped to evolve mankind since the time immemorial. Books which are good in subject matter and quality can be a storehouse of information and wisdom. They enrich our hearts and souls. Some books can leave a permanent mark in our life, yet they are unbelievably inexpensive. So everyone can afford at least some good books. Those who cannot afford too many books can always visit the library. My parents have always encouraged me to read books ever since I learned to read. There are books to suit readers of all age groups. Also, there are books on various matters. No matter what interests you, there is going to be a book in that subject. So, once we pick a book that interests us, we can get hooked with it. Books are referred to as a man's best friend. Books leave a deep impact on us and are responsible for uplifting our moods. Benefits of reading a book. A regular reader can enhance his or her knowledge on an array of subjects. It helps us to learn a lot of new things about the subject that interests us. And it is a fun way to explore a new world. So, learning with entertainment is a perk of reading regularly. They can be a very powerful answer to boredom. Whenever we are alone, a book can be the only companion that we might be needing. Moreover, the fact that different books deals with different subjects has an advantage. It allows us to explore different subject matters. It can help to identify our different aspects of interest. Our choice of books can also go a long way to decide on our career in the future. Another important benefit of reading books is that it helps to improve our word power. We can read the works of different authors. This will make us come across different new words. By learning new words, we can nurture our vocabulary. When we use the newly learned words in day to day conversation, people do appreciate that. Also, it helps to improve our writing skills as well. With new words and new expression empowering us, we can also participate in the debates, public speaking competitions, and the quiz session with more confidence than ever. There seems to be a book for almost every subject under the sky. There are creation of literature as well as academic books and travelogues. There are books on historical events, mythology, cookery, mechanics, astronomy, astrology, fashion, and whatnot. Though I love reading different genres of books, I have my own selection and favorites. We can pick any book of our interest to expand our knowledge and enjoy the reading experience. Folklore. Almost every country in the world has its bounty of rich folklore. They are evidence of a heritage of a country. Folklores are all about songs from bygone days, ballads dedicated to the ancient kings, queens, princes, prince, legends, myths, and traditional tales. In most cases, there is no known author of these folklores. Fantasies. These are the fascinating takes of an imaginative world. Often, fantasies come with references to make believe places. There are charming stories with a beautiful yet imaginary countries in the background. We come across interesting characters and creatures, but none of them exist in the real world. Science fiction. The science fiction tales are primarily based on real life scientific facts and principles. Though the plots might be imaginary, the stories often have some true references to what might happen in the future. Realistic fiction. These are my favorite set of what if novels and stories. This genre comprises imaginary situations that might occur just any time. These characters seems to be real as well. Biography. The themes of biographies revolve around the life of famous people. A biography comes with a person's memoirs, letters, journals, and the like. Travel books, which tell us about the experience of various travelers. They introduce us to different places in the world without moving from our place. It gives us traveling tips which we can use in the future. Then we have history books which state historical events. They teach about the eras and how people lived in the times gone by. Furthermore, we have technology books that teach us about technological developments and different equipment. You can also read fashion and lifestyle books to get up to date with the latest trends in the fashion industry. Most importantly, there are self help books and motivational books. These books help in the personality development of an individual. They inspire us to do well in life and also be a positive change in ourselves. In conclusion, while there were many movies made in the books, nothing beats the essence and originality of the books. The details and the inclusiveness of books cannot be replaced by any form of media. Thank you for listening patiently.